What's going on, guys? It is that time of year. 187 Customs is doing our second giveaway. From now till December 31st, every dollar that you spend in the store at themurdernova.com gets you entered in to win this 2017 LT4 swapped Silverado and $10,000 cash. To keep up with all the progress on this truck and things that we've done to it in the past, go to 187 Customs YouTube and you can get all caught back up or continue to watch new videos that we post about this truck.
All right, it's that time. We're about to dyno somebody's new truck. There is, by the time you see this video, it'll be on the last day of the giveaway. Last day to get entered to win this truck with the brand new Brian Racing 416 cubic inch with the LT4 blower on it and $10,000 cash. So we've got it here at Able Racing, and he's gonna tune this deal up, see what it'll make. We got it strapped down, it's on the rollers. Got the 5-inch pipe on it. It will not run with the 5-inch pipe currently, so Andre's doing his thing to change that. And we'll start ripping on this deal. Adding a little Earl.
Yep, such as a quart low.
Yeah. I'm gonna have to clean this thing again.
Yeah, I know.
It got dirty.
What's his name put so much work into this?
I know.
Just supposed to pull his motor out.
Well, so.
I think it's on there good then. I got this pushed back more.
Yep. And we'll put a new stand on it when we get it back home. But
and the sensor should be all good.
Got her plugged in.
Yep.
Cool. All right. So Andre's flashing in a tune right now. I'm sure he'll do a little bit of drivability and idle and what have you, and then we'll start ripping on it. All right, he's already got her idling with that new 5-inch multi-fab pipe. Sounds good. Made boost that time. All right. So let's call it 560 at 5 pounds of boost. And we're still pretty conservative on the tune-up. Andre's just still kind of getting a feel for the whole setup. But this unit will make some steam. So it's probably going to make right at 600 to the tires today, and that's a real 600 on Andre's dyno. Every time I've dynoed my truck here and then went to the track, like it ran what this dyno said it would. So real deal 600 horse. That's going to be pretty fun. But honestly, we're probably going to end up putting a smaller pulley on this thing, getting it to that 650, 700 mark, and you know, give whoever wins this thing something a little extra. So not today though. We're gonna go ahead and finish tuning it how it is. It's still got it's a stock pulley. Whatever the stock LT4 blowers come with, that's what's on here. It's got the stock truck balancer, so it's not oversized. So 5-6 pounds probably just what this truck's gonna make. So, but Andre's still working on it. We'll see where we end up here, and let you know where we go from here. Okay, so we pulled a spark plug out, check the timing, because spark plugs never lie. Shows that they can use at least a couple more, so Andre's gonna put them in there, make one more pull, and then that's probably gonna be it for the day. We'll go out, do some drivability tuning, and then probably gonna be it. So we'll get this thing back to the house, do a couple more things that we were wanting to do to it, and then it's gonna be one of y'all's trucks. So here we go. Andre got this deal tuned up.
It's warm, like you just drove it home.
I just drove it 45 minutes back home.
Yeah, man, it sounds killer.
Man, like, that 5-inch pipe.
Yeah.
You know,
it winds and everything, you know.
Really
so
ties the whole thing together.
I wanted to make more power because I always want to make more power.
You know Andre's dyno though.
I do. Well, and he always, as soon as you get there, oh, it ain't ever going to make that much. And then whenever it does,
and then I'm right. That's always fun.
But every time he tells us this, Aiden calls me today and he's like, he says it's not going to make 600, and I was like, Aiden, it will.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And it will easily. Like, this is a good baseline. We don't know who's going to get this truck.
Nope.
Somebody may win this truck who's never had 300 horsepower. Or somebody may get it who wants to go that extra step with it.
Yep.
This engine that's in this thing, this little BTR LT, 6.2, 416 cubic inch, whatever you want to call it, it ain't even breaking a sweat. 5 pounds of boost at this point is just in this motor's way.
Yep.
So really the LT4 blower that's on this thing right now, it's just, it's there to look cool and sound cool. Because right now, it ain't even putting any pressure on this engine.
No, this motor is ready for 1,000 horsepower. This blower, unless you port it, pulley it, all that good stuff,
the engine will way surpass any horsepower levels of anything else on this truck.
Yes.
Except maybe the driver, And if whoever wins this thing wants to pulley it down a little bit, there's still a lot of room. There's still, I'd say 150. I'm not going to exaggerate it. There's still 150 horsepower.
Yeah.
I think that this thing will handle 150 with this fuel system.
Yeah.
150 horsepower more.
Yeah.
So I think 750 with this fuel system is bottom. That's top. That's about all you're going to get. But anything more than that, you're going to be building a transmission. We've talked about this.
Yep.
You're going to be putting a rear end in it. So drive it with 600 and have a good time, because that's what it's going to be. Did you stick it at all and everything on the way home?
No.
Yeah, right. How was it? Was it good?
No, it runs good, man. It's a fun truck. I don't see whoever wins this truck complaining about it only making 600.
No.
A real deal 600 horsepower is...
To the wheels.
Yeah, that's... a
lot of people advertise, we could advertise, 800 right now?
Probably.
If it makes 600 to the tires?
I mean, that 6-speed eats some up. That 12-bolt rear end eats some up. The big 22-inch wheels eat some up.
That 10-bolt eats some up, too.
It's a 12-bolt.
This one's got a 12-bolt? Whoa, I don't know anything about Chevy trucks.
Yeah.
Yours came with a 10-bolt, right?
Yes. They swapped to a 12-bolt at some point.
So these are probably a little bit stronger.
Yeah. Yeah. Still got the G80 in there, though.
Man, I was always a fan of a G80, man. I remember back in the day before you ever got anything, that's what you looked for, man.
I mean, it was better than an open diff,
Yeah.
And it's probably better than a 10-bolt G80,
Anything with a clutch, though, has its limits.
Oh, yeah.
So, I don't know, man. It's super cool. I know it sounded cool chopping the block whenever you pulled in here.
Man, that camshaft and this stainless works exhaust.
Yeah.
It's killer.
Yeah.
So
a couple more days, man.
So literally, by the time they see this video, I'm going to go home, make it tonight. When they see this video, it will be the last day to be able to get entered to win this truck and $10,000. So, go to themurdernova.com. Read the rules if you need to. We got plenty of merch. They just dropped some new merch tonight.
They put cars on there.
They put the cars. They put some of our 187 Customs hats, the red hats, black hats, all that stuff. So we got championship shirts and hoodies and everything that you may need.
It's a cool truck.
It is a very cool truck, and some lucky winner will be notified here in the next couple weeks.
Yeah.
So
that'd be cool.
Yeah.
That's always a cool phone call to make.
It was a cool phone call to make for our first one. For anyone that may have a inkling that this is a scam, you're more than welcome to look up our first giveaway winner. He's very active on all of our pages. Still on our payroll.
Yeah. Everything that we told him to say.
Yep.
I'm just playing, guys.
Yep. Nope. He
right now he's going, where's the check?
Yep. So he actually took that car to the track a few weeks ago, and it did Grand National things. It needs head gaskets now.
Yeah, now it needs a head gasket.
So
how many times I tell you, I don't want to turn the boost up. 10 pounds is perfect.
Yep.
And because I had made 21 at one point, and it was not happy. I feel like it may have lifted ahead then, but then I turned the boost down and it had resealed itself.
Yep.
So, yes, that thing, it doesn't, 14 pounds of boost on that.
Yeah, just have fun with it.
V6.
Otherwise, you're going to be doing Grand National things.
Yep. But he's had it for how long now?
Almost a year.
Almost a year, and he still sends us videos and pictures of him driving it all the time with his kids in the back
all over the place, to all the car shows, and takes his kids and his wife with him.
Every time I see it too, I go, man, that's a good looking car.
It is.
That's the same thing I'll say about this too.
Yeah, that's a good looking truck.
Yeah.
It's fun to drive. I did test it out a little bit on the way home. It's
probably got a whopping 52 miles on it.
Maybe. whatever it is from here to Andres and whatever we did on the rollers. So we didn't, yeah. So anyways, we got a few things to do to this still, but the giveaway ends by the time you see this video today. Tonight, 11:59 p.m. the giveaway ends Eastern time. So
Eastern time.
Eastern time. So it'd be
11 here.
yeah, 11 p.m. here in Oklahoma. So that's gonna do it. Get those entries in, win this truck, and $10,000 cash.